whole design team and working together with everyone from the brick to the slate roof and working with the homeowner especially on going through, and they were very specific on things that they liked and things that they didn't like, so it made it a fun process, and there's a lot of rooms that we're pretty proud of, and we had some fun with a couple of rooms, the bar in particular and the billiards room. The bar, he found pictures of a bar in London, and the designer, the architect, and I just kind of freelanced and built this whole thing from pictures from a bar in London. The homeowners were really engaged in the whole process, from picking out every little detail with the designer. It's a big house, but you can really feel like it's lived in, and people enjoy being here. So it's kind of fun to take over neighborhoods, so to speak, and put your stamp on something you hope that will be there for 100 years.